China versus the United States, a battle not fought with bullets, but with brains, business, and bold strategies. In the last decade, China has shattered record after record. But how? Why is China rising so fast, and is it really overtaking the United States? In speech bubble, stay tuned as we uncover the secret behind China's unstoppable growth, and what this means for the future of the world. Bellhop Bell, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GR Mindset Hub for powerful global insights. China's unbelievable rise, the records speak. Let's begin with the numbers, because numbers don't lie. Bar chart: China has become the world's largest exporter, overtaking the US in global manufacturing. Bullet train: it built the world's largest high-speed rail network, over 40,000 kilometers, in just 15 years. Building construction: it constructs more infrastructure in 1 year than the US does in 5. Mobile phone: in AI, electric vehicles, and 5G, China isn't catching up anymore, it's leading. Magnifying glass: tilted left: in 2024, China became the first country to launch a fully AI-operated port and an AI-driven stock exchange model in Shanghai. Exploding head: so the question is, how is China doing this? China's secret weapon: long-term vision. China doesn't just plan for 4 years. It plans for 40 years. This long-term vision is one of China's biggest strengths. Direct hit: while the US government changes its focus with each election, China sticks to its 5-year plans, consistently investing in infrastructure, technology, education, energy independence. The Chinese government controls major industries, helping avoid short-term losses for long-term global gain. Teacher: their education system produces millions of STEM graduates every year, much more than the US. Economic strategy: manufacturing powerhouse. China is called the world's factory, and for a reason. Factory: with cheap labor, high efficiency, and strong government support, China attracts companies from around the globe. Brain: it's not just about quantity anymore. China is now focusing on quality manufacturing, green energy, and tech innovation. Briefcase: even US brands like Apple and Tesla manufacture their products in China. Why? Because China provides low cost, high skill, strong logistics, stable environment, military and diplomacy, the silent power shift. Let's talk about power, military and diplomatic. China's military budget has grown over 600% in 20 years. Satellite: it has developed hypersonic missiles, advanced naval fleets, and its own GPS system, Beidou. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Meanwhile, China builds strong ties with countries in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East through the Belt and Road Initiative, creating a new global influence network. Handshake: while the US focuses on NATO and the West, China is building quiet but powerful partnerships globally. America's challenges, and what it needs to do. Now, the US still holds the crown in innovation, freedom of speech, democracy, and military might, but challenges are growing. Rising debt. Political divas. The future: who will win? So, will China win? It's not that simple. Pushpin: China is growing, yes. But it faces its own problems. Aging population. Property crisis. Internet censorship. Human rights criticism. Statue of Liberty: the US still leads in creativity, cultural influence, and global military strength. Checkered flag: the truth is, this isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. And the next 20 years will decide everything. So now the question goes to you. Thinking face: what do you think? Backhand index pointing right: will China overtake the United States completely? Backhand index pointing right: or will America make a comeback? Memo: drop your thoughts in the comments, we want to hear from you. Loudspeaker: if you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to GR Mindset Hub, and share it with your friends.